they're running all day long. It's amazing. What's even more amazing is this is all free and open. So you can go to the that's encryption and read the README off because they will teach you everything you need to know about these agents that are here. There's 20 plus, all free and open source. Go to the SRC to the agents folder here and get all of the. This is the one right now. It's the agent PP multi. So it's using multiple parallel processors in order to backtest and research for me. So it's like calling Grok or AI model that I want 8 times at the same time. And one is working on researching, backtesting, another is researching, backtesting, a whole different strategy. And now I'm making this update, which is so sick that's gonna make it so I can just sit here and whenever I add a new idea, it will just go ahead and start backtesting it. So done. RBI is now continuous AI swarm daemon. I don't know. I thought daemon was spelled different. What new mode? Okay, announces continuous mode on startup. Continuous mode activated. Checks for new ideas every 15 seconds. Main infinite loop. Okay, wraps everything in a while true. Nice, dude. So that's sick. At the end of the day, I'm going to have all the stats here that I can go through. I can see the return percentage. I can see the max drawdown. I can see the Sharpe ratio of 4 Sharpe. Nice. Sortino. Oh my God. Okay, so you can see the total returns for all of them up here as well. So this is pretty sick and open source. Stop it with Control C. Add new ideas. Okay, let's go ahead and try this. These probably have a bunch done, and the cool thing is that these are anything that is ever done for me is saved into this backtest stats here, and then from the backtest stats, this is made. So I can kill this at any time, and then just keep it pushing. Watch this. Let's kill it. Okay, new who this? Okay, let's go to new. Okay, let's say reveal in Finder now, because now I want to see if this works, dude. Let's go ahead and say exit, save it, boom. So now I have no strat in here. Let's see what happens. AI Swarm is waiting for an idea. Okay, now chat throws in a ton of ideas. I think of some ideas throughout the day. Hit save. Let's see what happens here. Do it 1 second. Ideas.txt open. Add 5 new ideas throughout the day. Have it check every 1 second, and I don't think it's working right now because I just added a ton of ideas and it didn't catch them. Maybe I put it in the wrong one. Multi PP copy path. Okay, is there a new one? I put them here. The Karman order flow strategy. Okay, we'll try that. I'm gonna make a list of chat trading strategies because I think this is interesting. The wisdom of the crowd is very interesting. Chat trading strategies. Put all your strat ideas that you don't mind people seeing, put them here in the chat and we'll backtest them for free. Who the hell invited you? The Karman order flow strat. Okay. So my aim here is to have running at all times, and then whenever an idea or you idea, we can just have the agent go work on it. It's actually a form of agent. Okay, so let's see. Save file. It is working correctly. Oh, we made a new file. Multi RBI agents. Oh, it is. It says this is a new ID. How many's in the swarm? I think there's like 6 in each swarm, but there's 8. Okay, look, it's now fire, karma flow. So you can see anything I put in there. Sick. Okay, let's have this for the day. I can down here. Any idea we have? Let's some live. Yes, dude. Yes. Sick. Throw your ideas in the chat, fam. Any strategies you want to see? We're gonna have them running all day. All day, dude. So I'm here live. I'm here live all day. Any ideas, trading ideas you have, come chat, throw it in the chat, and let's get it. Or you can try the photo. Okay, let's try as well. I'm gonna put these all in the sheet, dude. It's Fabio. Let's see here if she picks it up. Okay, that's an edge case right there. So if I have one in there, and like 5 minutes later, while it's parallel processing, I add another. That other one goes. We have the 18 threads we can run. So maybe a thread that's waiting for another back test, because what happened is I had one going, and then I added a new one while it was going, and I don't think it picked up the new one. That's interesting, dude. So yeah, I'm gonna add that one in a second. Let's see. This was an edge case, but a good edge case. Thank you, dude. Adrian. Pia. Adrian. Pia. 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 What up, dude? What up, Skits? What up, Gigi? What up, Olonado? It's Rico. Good to see you. Thank you. Dura, dude. 7 fam. Let's get it. How's she's doing? Good. I'm gonna give her a come up with some strategies as well. So while she's working, looks like she's fierce here. Response received. Okay. Fixing errors again. Beautiful, dude. So I have this TXT file now. I can just add ideas to it. You can barely see it. I can add ideas right here, dude. So if you have ideas, trading ideas, throw them in the chat, because then you get a free back test. This is an expensive service for free. Let's get it. Okay, let's see what happens here. Boom, completely restructured it. So it's producer consume queue pattern. Okay, this is much better for your workflow. How it works. Monitor the thread. Producer runs continuously in the background. Nice. Let's go ahead and get it then. So let's run this here, and then 18 worker threads have started. Okay, let's go ahead and put an exclamation mark there. Boom. Okay, so now it's researching that idea. You can see that. But let's see if it does the other one as well. The Fabio order flow strat. Let's add that one to I'm adding it right here. Let's see what happens. Okay, Fabio's in there. Beautiful, dude. So now we have another thread. T0, T0, T00, 2 queued, 0 completed, 18 active. Okay, so I'm a little confused. Does this all look right? Because essentially I see it all showing T0 thread. Even though I had one to start and then I added a new one halfway through. But I own T0 thread, so it makes me a little nervous. It says too cute. Dude, I did a PR for an EDA architecture. Take a look. What does that mean? What does an EDA architecture mean? And why do I, or why would I just so I can learn? I just don't know. Know what that means. Event-driven arch for HFT. Okay. Interesting, bro. I'll take a look. I'll take a look. Optimization 3 complete. Okay. The consensus event. So all this code is in the GitHub, and Adrian said he made a PR. A pull request. EDA implementation. I need to learn how to do PR requests and stuff. How do you detect consolidated markets? I'm struggling in that area. It's a good question. I have an algo for that, or a function for that. I'd have to look into it. Built that years ago, but extreme consolidation. Perfect, I fixed both bugs. Okay, so thread 0, workers are in queue. Okay, let's get it. Okay, there should be one new one in there. Okay, now we're gonna add a new one. So you see T5. I added a new one, T9, beautiful. So there's no delay in triggers, okay. Well, that sounds fire, bro. Okay, great. So now we have this update here, and let's go ahead and update it in GitHub because this is a fire update. Git add dot git commit. Always on mode for RBI agent PP multi git push. Okay, so all this code is now on GitHub. I believe code is a great equalizer. So I just push all my stuff to GitHub and I show you everything on YouTube for free. Because if I can do it, you can do it better. It's not financial advice. There's no plug and play, make $1 million overnight. Please read this nice and tight. Read it, read it, read it. It's very, very important. It's very, 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 very important that you read all of this. Okay, sick. You read it? Pause it. Pause it if you haven't. Okay, thank you. All right, so let's keep it pushing. Today, I need to, okay, I got a bunch of strategies in there. Well, I got 2 actually, not a bunch. I'm actually going to add all of those other ones here because I think they're interesting. Can you do that same? Oops, that doesn't work. I'm going to get all those strategies from yesterday in there because I didn't fully get to test them. Ah, shit, I just closed it. And I just swore, so boom, I'm gonna get kicked from YouTube. Poop. Okay, let's use that little tool that I learned the other day. I think it's right on my screen actually. So it's option shift. Option shift. I just want to use it a lot so I don't lose it. Okay, watch when I hit save. Watch this down here. It should start a bunch of other threads. Yep, look at that. Researching, boom, boom, boom. Let's get it, dude. Let's get it. If you don't understand all of this, dude, learn how to automate trading first. It's essential. People came to me the other day. They said, since you put stuff on GitHub now, is there any point for the boot camp? There's even more of a point for the boot camp now. If you're not in the boot camp and you don't know how to automate your trading, today is your day because we're having the pre-sale. Only for 5 people. Halloween is not here yet, dude. There's a pre-sale today for 5 people. I'm about to start writing these emails, these tweets, these Discord messages. But if you're here live on chat, you have the opportunity to get the pre-sale. $100 off for 5 people. But this is how you automate your trading step by step. Yes, there's a GitHub that has a ton of AI agent code in it. This isn't specifically algorithmic trading though. It's a lot of stuff. Yes, there is some algo trading stuff. Yes, there's a lot of things that are going to help you with automating your trading. I believe code's a great equalizer. I built this YouTube channel to all be free. So I also built this whole roadmap, which is like 2 years of ongoing best tips here. It's also free. You get that when you put your email in here. But I wanted to alert anybody here that's live that we're having the pre-sale today for 5 people who want to get into the boot camp. $100 off. I'm going to go ahead and start writing emails. I'm going to start writing tweets. I've got a lot of writing to do today. This should be very interesting though, because it's going to be answering a lot of your questions. So if you have questions about automated trading, I've got answers, dude. I've got answers. And then also this thing, this customer success AI is absolutely sick, bro. So I'm going to say Conda activate. This is another agent. Conda activate T-Flow. And I'll show you how it works, bro. Well, I have 2 agents here. I have this agent that clips my videos, but that doesn't matter to you. I mean, I guess a little bit, but this agent is so sick because I can ask her any question here. Let's see if I can get her going first before I talk too much ish. Okay, so this agent here, I can ask any question and I have a database of information. I've got a database of information based on people who have had success going through this boot camp. You can see everybody that's gone through this boot camp and had success. Well, not everybody, but you can see everybody that has written a good review here. You can read through it if you want. You can also go to Algo Trade Camp reviews. Just Google it. There's a bunch of reviews on the internet. What I want to do here I want to ask questions. What are the biggest pain points of traders who need to automate their traders in general? Why do people want to automate their trading? What stops people from getting started automating their trading, even though they know they can't trade by hand? And then I'm going to ask all 3 of those questions again. I guess not. I guess I'm not. 10 reasons to automate your trading. What are traders' biggest fears? Okay, what is this doing? It's running an AI agent. Okay, so it's running multiple agents at the same time. You can see status, job 0 complete, job 1. Why do people automate their trading? Job 2, what stops people from getting, blah, blah, blah. Job 3, job 4. And essentially what it does is it goes ahead and looks at my database and it answers these questions based off of real data. So if I go to Moondev on YouTube, this one's not public, but I'll show you how to do it. Customer success here. And it should be in data, I believe. No, responses. Okay, and you can see here, let's see. Oh, I haven't committed these. So I would have to commit them. How do you commit? How do you get commit, bro? I'm just kidding. I got this. Customer success here. Let's go ahead and say new terminal. And then when I add these, they're already done probably, or some of them are. Get add dot. Hey, Blow. What's good? What's Gucci, bro? Get add responses. Get add responses. I don't know how that works, honestly. Get commit /m new. Get push. Okay, you can see all these responses have just been added here. So I just asked the AI a bunch of these specific questions. Give me 3 top. Okay, that's not actually. Oh, that's from. I just haven't pushed that one yet. So, okay, for example, let's see if I can find one. What are good emails I could send people? Okay, so I have agents looking at my real data. What are 10 good emails I could send these people? You people. I'm not actually going to use AI emails. I just use it for ideas. 3 avatars of a customer based off this data. So this is real data here, and it gives me avatars. Or if I have questions. So I use AI agents for everything. What are traders' biggest fears? Yes, dude. What are the biggest fears? I know my biggest fears: getting licked, trained by hand, bro. So I can go ahead and use agents pretty much for every piece of my business, which is crazy. I'm an algo trader, and I have agents going ahead and creating new backtests for me 24/7. What the hell? That's amazing. I got agents clipping these videos while I'm working. What the hell, dude? This is a new world. You can see here, perfect. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Give me 10 top 1 sentences to help people understand automated trading is a better approach. 10 sentences alleviating their fear of learning to code for automated trading. 10 one-liners showing people automated trading is better than hand trading. What questions do you have? If you got questions, I got answers, fam. You got questions, I got answers. Trump's tariffs, bull BS, wrecked me too. Over 90% of portfolio gone. That's a good question. Do you sell algos? I don't. You could if you make a signal for news, maybe. After Trump tweets about tariff, I lost half of my balance. Is there a way your bot detect red flags like that? Liquidations, yes. Liquidations. One question, how do you mitigate biases? Automate everything. Reported and deported, Skid says. So does the agent trade for you? We lit, bro. Let's get it. Go. Please make a video on detecting consolidating markets, please. Okay, that could be a good idea. Thank you. I'll put that on my note sheet, dude. B, video on consolidating markets. Look for my extreme consolidation function, because I do have a function of exactly what you're asking for. So I just have to go look at my notes. Okay, sick, dude. If you have any questions, let me know. 10 one-liners to show that automated trading removes emotions. Okay, sick. So I've got a ton of different ideas here. If I hit status, they're not quite done yet. Let's wait for that one to be done here. And I'm using AI agents to look through all of my data and then create these responses. Do you have a fallback model built in? I don't. For what? I do not have a fallback. Okay, so the Halloween sale has started. There's $100 off just for 5 people as this pre-sale, and I'm gonna start writing these emails. Okay, we got these agents working. Beautiful. Let's see if we're done. Status. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So where do I want to do this at? I think I'm gonna do this here. Matter of fact. Let me think about this. No, I'm gonna do it in my notes, bro, because it's just gonna be way better. Halloween sale. Okay, so the Halloween pre-sale has started for 5 people. That's it. All right, let's get this to GitHub so I can go ahead and read through it while I come up with these emails and all that stuff, you know? Get add that. Shit, that don't even work. Get add responses. Get commit slash m new get push. Okay, so we got some new ones here. And honestly, I'm just gonna go through here. Well, let's see. GitHub's fine. Halloween sale. Okay, let's start with today's Sunday and then go to Monday. Okay. So I need 3 emails. So emails. Okay, so I need to write these emails. So how do I write them? Just come up with ideas from here. I got unlimited ideas, dude. See, this might be easier from GitHub though. Let's go ahead and see, or not GitHub. Terminate. Okay, let's go to responses here. There we go. And if you got trading ideas, let me know. Lack of trading experience. So, lack of coding experience, sorry. No coding, automated trading. It doesn't matter if you have coding experience or not. I didn't know how to code before I started the journey to automate my trading either. Everything starts with an idea, and if someone else can do it, you can too. You know that. So even if you don't know how to code, I show you step by step and show you how to have AI code for you. So today is the day you need to start on your automated trading. So automate your trading today. Starting today. We are having a Halloween pre-sale for 5 lucky people. They will get 100 off the bootcamp that shows you step by step how to automate your trading. Join here to claim your discount. Okay, LL. Moondev. Okay, that's one. And then what I want to do actually is I want to put some screenshots on these because I think this is important. So let's go to Algo Trade Camp. Actually, let's go to Algo Trade Camp review here. Okay, you can see a bunch of reviews here. This is a great course for learning more than you ever wanted. There's a ton of alpha in this bootcamp, and it's way more than I even looking for when I joined. Moondev goes above and beyond to deliver throughout this course. It's just a bootcamp, but it's still a very valuable teaching if you're into learning this style trading. Okay, beautiful, dude. Beautiful. Let's just go ahead and screenshot that. Okay, so that's one. How many do I need? A lot. A lot. Okay, let's how do we want to do this? I think I'm gonna write them all first. Not all of them, but I'm gonna write a bunch first. Let's organize this one by maybe Sharp here. No. Trades EV. No. Sharp. Return. Super Renko. Backtest results here. Finding profitable trading strategies. Even if you don't have any profitable trading strategies, I show you exactly how to find trading strategies. And then I show you how to backtest to make sure they work. Then I show you how to build them into bots. And today we are having a pre-sale, Halloween pre-sale, where you get 100 off. Join here. HTTPS. Oh, LL. I can just do LL. LL. Moondev. Okay, 6. So, all right, that's 2 emails or whatever, 2 posts, whatever. This is how I have to jam them out, dude. This is hard work. This is hard work, bro. Customer. Okay, let's go here to GitHub or my cursor. And there's going to be plenty of posts, so don't need to do that. Let's go. I'm actually going to turn her off for now. Where is she? Because I don't even want her, I don't want her clipping all this. Yo, if you got ideas for trading strategies, throw them in the chat. Backtesting for free today. Testing your strategies today. Are you there? I'm here. What's up, fam? Going to make coffee? I'll be back like CNN. What's the backtest results? What's up, fam? You don't know how to code? I'll dabble in it. I find all this fascinating, especially with AI. I'll teach you how to code, dude. Would it be hard for a noob like me to begin? No, dude. I didn't know how to do this either. I didn't know how to do this either, dude. I didn't know how to do this either. So if you don't know how to do it, I didn't know how to do it either, dude. So I teach you everything, and for 5 people, you get the pre-sale today for the Halloween special. It's $100 off, and I teach you absolutely everything you need to know about automated trading. And you can learn that here by clicking the link in the description. If you don't want to pay for it, that's fine, dude. Just go ahead and get the roadmap at least. Just put your email in, and you'll get the roadmap, which is absolutely fire. This roadmap is better than most algo trading books. I'll say that right now because this is 2 years of effort, and I'm putting piece by piece in there. So yeah, you're going to see everything today. I'm going to answer a ton of questions. I'm going to change this answering your questions, AI agents for algorithmic trading in 2026, backtesting your strategies or testing your strategies. So testing your strategies. And I'll put that as a note here in the YouTube, because if you guys throw your strategies in there, I will go ahead and test them. You can see she's waiting. She's waiting for you, bro. She's waiting. She needs an idea. Come on, dog. Every day I'm here. If you want to throw ideas in there, I'll have her go, and I'll just pay for it. My agents are testing your trading strategies and ideas today. Just throw them in the chat. Okay, dude, I started a poll here so you can see what's going on. I've got my agents going, ready for you, dude. So this is on you. I'm going to be writing throughout. Sunday, you know what? I don't even need to do this like that. I'll just go ahead and just keep writing. Let's see. Difficulty translating manual strategies. Okay. Don't know how to backtest. Low confidence. Time constraints. No time to algo trade. The great thing is that these days we have AI to save us so much time. So even if you don't have a ton of time, I get 8 hours done in just an hour with the power of AI. I will show you I will show you how to automate your trading even if you don't have a ton of time. The Halloween pre-sale just started, and 5 people will get 100 off. Join here. HTTP LL. LL. All right, Moondev. Okay, let's go ahead and find some sort of screenshot or something. Let's see what this Discord's looking like, because those look pretty good. Let's begin. Day one, intro to Algo Trade Camp. Let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna keep writing, dude. I've got a lot to write today. So time constraints, uncertainty, no clear trading strategy that you have, financial barriers. Okay, let's go ahead and say, oh, community. The best algo algo trading community. There is no algorithmic trading community like here at Moondive. We are hundreds of automated traders all looking for an edge and sharing ideas, code, and motivation with each other. So not only are you going to learn how to automate your trading, you are also going to meet some of the greatest automated traders on the internet inside our private algo trading community. Today, we are having the Halloween pre-sale, so you get $100 off. Join here. Ella. Moondive. Okay, let's actually put this one on there. And then this one here, let's go ahead and find maybe a screenshot from elsewhere. Maybe here. I think there's somebody that talks about time probably here. Okay, this is actually probably a better one for this then. Let's put that down here. Okay, and then this one I can put here. Beautiful, dude. HFT arbitrage agent, okay. Robert, you've been here for years, dude. Come on. Lock in, dude. Haha. Lock in. Anytime I do anything that has to do with the course, everybody says that. So it's cool. Much love to you, dude. It's a trade. I'm a trader. So when a bunch of people ask me, hey, thank you so much for putting out all of this thousands of hours of algorithmic trading, your actual edge, you show your actual bots every single day and you build them here. Thank you so much. But please, can you make a course? I'm like, I'm good because that's going to take work. But then I eventually did because people kept begging for it. But that requires me to do maybe once a month, a day like this, where I have to write emails, I have to write tweets, and then everybody's like, blah, 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 he's just selling a course. And that's okay, dude. If people beg you to sell something and you're a trader, you have to eventually sell it or else you're not a trader. So that's the funny part about people like dragging me for having a course. That's the funny part, bro. It's like, okay, drag me for having a course, dog. Drag me for having a course when you guys begged me for the course and I'm a trader. So I haven't seen any profits, bro. I've been watching for hours and hours. Show me now and I'll shut up forever. Okay, let's go. Come to Puerto Rico. I'll show you, dude. This is not financial advice. There's no plug and play here. So with the risk of CFTC, SEC, etc., if I go ahead and flaunt my profits, I go ahead and risk my life. I'm sorry, dude. I do believe code is a great equalizer, but I'm not going to flaunt profits, because if I flaunt profits, then everybody that joins the bootcamp expects the exact same thing as me. But no, dude, Jim Simon says it all the time. Your competitors are always trying to make their systems better and better and better. So that's what you should do. That's why I'm locked every single day, 4 to 6 hours, dude. And I just build, build, build. And the things that I find out that work, I implement into my systems and I try to drip them out to the community. I never say, hey, plug and play this, because again, these boys ain't playing. And if you're going to play with my life, I ain't playing with you, dude. No way. So that's why I just show this screen every single time. Somebody's like, show me your profits. I want to see what I can do if I join your bootcamp. You can't do that exactly. I can show you the way. I can show you how to fish, but you still got to use your brain. You got to work hard, dude. This is a hard game. It's not easy. So please don't join the bootcamp if you want something easy. He said, my concern is syncing my frequency to yours. You're on fire, dude. Very, very important, dude. That's very, very important. That's very, very important. Let's keep it pushing, dude. Let's keep it pushing. If you have strategies you want me to test, I will go ahead and back test them. Yes, later, Robert. Have a great day, dude. Much love to you. He needs to match his frequency with somebody else's, because my frequency and Robert's frequency ain't matching, dude. We ain't matching. Let's keep it pushing, dude. Let's keep it pushing. So if you have any strategies you want me to back test, I will go ahead and back test them for you. Or my AI agent will. Okay, let's go ahead and keep going through here. So this is a bunch of different ideas. Okay. Actionable recommendations, time schedule, trust. Okay. There are... Okay. Okay. Nah, it's probably not good. What's the question here? Based off this information, 7-minute training video I could make based off this information. Okay, automated trading for non-coders. How to code. That doesn't matter in today's AI age. I didn't know how to code either. I just had the same problem as you. I was trading emotionally and it was taking up too much time. So I found a better way. Automate it. Even if you don't know how to code, I will show you step by step. And today is the start of our Halloween special. So 5 people get 100 off the bootcamp. Join here to learn everything. Hello. Moondab. Okay, let's find a testimonial or something for that. Okay, here we go. So, Robert, here you go. That's cool. One of my bots that I set up watching you is pretty profitable thanks to you. So let's talk about other people's profits because my profits don't matter. I'm not a financial advisor. Please read that. Thank you. Okay, hands down the best decision I made. I love the intro of the boot camp. I'm about to save you 200 hours. That's the goal. So that would be a good one for this. Yeah, let's do that. Let's put that there. We'll use this one for something else. Save that for something else, dude. What does this one say? Trading bot alpha. It's algo automated trading is all about alpha, automating alpha. You are smart. You probably have some really great trading ideas. But like me and all the other humans in the world, it's hard to execute them by hand. We are too busy and too emotional. Luckily, there is a better way. Automated trading. I'll show you step by step how to automate your trading and give you $100 off, $1,000 off if you join today. Ella. Moondive. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. You got questions, I got answers. You got questions, I got answers, fam. You could give the course out for free? I do, dude. This is actually thicker than any course in the world. But I am a trader. Remember that. Remember, I'm a trader. So if there are 1,000 people coming to me asking to pay me, then I'm gonna build that. So some of you are stupid. Like, no offense, but some of you are slow to think that if you had a vision, a mission to spread the good gospel of how coding is a great equalizer, and you start showing that every single day on YouTube for free, 100% free, build the thickest roadmap in the world, better than any algo trading book out there. It's all free, all free, all free. But then you get hundreds or thousands of people that say, Moondev, please make a course, make a boot camp. The couple of you that are dumb out there are the ones that say, oh, if you're so good at this, why wouldn't you just give it out for free? Bitch, I'm a trader. Bitch, I'm a trader, dude. If somebody's got if they're asking me, they say, hey, Moondev, please, I want to pay you for more. I want you to teach me this short, concise video. So I want you to give all my code to you. Come on, bro. Dumb dummies up in the chat. Robert's a dumb dummy. Pentafluoride's a dumb dummy. You guys aren't even traders, dude. I'm done with the chat for today. Peace. Oh my God, that's so silly. That is so silly. All right, let's go ahead and keep writing these. Maybe this isn't a good thing to do live with you guys, but I thought it'd be helpful because I'm inherently answering a bunch of questions, but we'll see. I'm just gonna rock out with my clock out vibe. I got a good vibe. All right, let's go. Let's keep it going. I'm writing 100 of these, so you want to lock in, you'll see everything. I told you I'd show you everything, dude. Don't ask me. Ask the people that write these reviews, bro. Ask them. Ask Madden. All right, let's go to the next one here. There should be some good ideas. Create some avatars. I get it. Times are tough and the budget may not be there to join. But if you are still trading by hand, do you think that is going to help? It's too emotional to trade by hand. So if you are on a tight budget right now, the best investment is in yourself. Learn a better way to the market to trade. If you have emotions and keep losing money, let robots trade for you. For the Halloween sale, you get 100 off. The pre-sale has started and only 5 people get it. Join here. Mundo. Okay, let's go ahead and find a testimonial or something, a review. I don't know. Let's go to Algo Trade Camp. Algo Trade Camp review here. Life changing, dude. Pentafluoride says I spend more time on my course than anything else. That's so cap, dude. That is so cap. You're so trash, bro. You're so trash for saying that, dude, because I literally just launched the fastest growing GitHub in the absolute world, bro. Dude, there are over 1,000 stars, 1,600 stars in 4 days. I built all of this. Look at how many agents are up in here. Stop it. Don't play with me. You're just rage baiting me right now, bro. Every time I jump in the chat, somebody's rage baiting me, bro. Stop playing with me, Penta. You haven't done anything for this world, dog. Come on, give more, give more, give, dude. Come on, bro. Oh my God, that is so funny. Bro, the only way a course works is if you provide value. If you don't provide value to the world, come on, dude. We live in a capitalist society. If you don't actually provide value, you can't have a course, dog. Read the reviews. Read what people say. I didn't even start this Trustpilot, dude. People went and built this for me, and they started writing stuff. It's crazy, dude. That is a crazy comment. You type more in my chat than you type to Claude, bro. Step on the gas, boy. Step on the gas, doggy. 6 months that open doors I never thought possible. The past 6 months with the Algo Bootcamp have been nothing short of transformational. It's not a trading course. It's a complete mindset shift. This program opened up new doors and opportunities I never thought possible, both personally and professionally. Moondev shows how it is. Next level, clear, actionable, and grounded real-world experience. Every live session kept me sharp and inspired. I've walked away not only with a deeper skill set, but with a new level of confidence in how I approach the markets in life. Boy, I don't even have to pitch you on this. Stop it. Stop it, dude. You are funny, bro. I'm gonna block Penta. He said it's Ed in disguise. Oh my god. He's back, bro. He's back. The pigeons. The pigeons trying to take you down, dude. Crabs in a bucket. Crabs in a bucket. So good, bro. How much time did this take? This took 1 hour. Okay. I've got so many others to write, but let's see here. I'm just gonna close the chat because I got too many rage baiters today. So much love to you, Rico, Streetlight. I appreciate you. Pen Fluoride, you could lick my balls. Skilts, much love to you. Frost, much love to you. Python, dude. Python. Robert Pollard has been here for years. I'm gonna block him on YouTube because he doesn't get a comeback. Analyzing tech sentiment. Okay. All right, chat. I'll see you. I'll see you never. See, the thing about life, dude. Thing about life is you got to keep your energy right. So if you get around some wrong people, if you find yourself around some wrong people, dude, you got to get ghosts. And that's why I get ghosts out the chat all the time. Because we got people over here living in their mama's basement, eating their boogers, putting their dirty ass fingers on their keyboard, picking at their butt, and then saying, Moondev, yada yada. Moondev, it's in my name, dude. It's in my name. I'm on the moon. I'm in a different vibe than you. I can do anything. Believe you can do anything, then we can't talk. No, I'm sorry. So why did I take the child off the screen? There's too many gnats. I love Rico. I love Jane. I love a lot of you guys. And it's sad, dude. It's sad. What I should do is make a Discord chat. What that? Discord chat only. Discord chat only. If you got questions, I got answers in the Discord chat. In the Discord chat. So I'm here in the Discord chat. If you ever have questions, right here, members only. And I apologize for the vibe shift. I apologize for me slowing down a little bit. I'm going to get back into where I was at, thriving, alive. I let the grimy little booger eaters, I let them get into my head today. I was writing some good stuff. I was helping people out. I'm going to do 100 jumps, and then I'm going to be back. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13. Haters can't do this. They can't do this. They can't do this, boy. 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80, 90, 100. All right, let's get it, boy. Let's get it. Let's get it, son. Okay, so let's go ahead and keep going through here. I got a ton of emails I got to write, ton of different things I have to write. Dun, 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 dun. In the next 6 months, your life can look totally different if you are a trader. Right now, you're probably trading by hand, emotionally, and losing money. There is a better way. Let robots trade for you. I will show you exactly how in the boot camp. And today you get 100 off for the Halloween special. Join here. Hello. Moondev. Okay, and that's a good screenshot for it. Okay, how many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna do 10. I'm gonna do 10. I'm gonna do 10 for now. 10 for now, and I'm going all day. I'm going all day. If you think I'm slowing down, I'm not, dude. You think I just go hard with algorithmic trade? I go hard with everything I do, dude. It's a lifestyle, dog. You ever see me in anybody else's chat? No way. If I am, it's positivity. Let's get it. So what's the way? Okay. Pricing and affordability, trust and sales, explicit names, scammers, scummy, profanity, indicating distrust. Why sell a course? If you are such a good trader, why sell a course? Well, showing everything for free on YouTube and actually still do, but I had hundreds of people begging me for shorter, concise videos, and they asked me to put together a course. As I believe code is the great equalizer, I wanted to keep everything free, but people kept requesting more short trainings and a members area. So why? As I am a trader and I saw the clear demand, I eventually caved, sat down, and structured a course. Now, a couple years later, I have changed the life of hundreds of traders who were stuck emotionally trading and now trade with bots. Even if you don't know how to code, I'll show you how to automate your trading today, and you get $100 off for the Halloween special. Join here. Ella Moda. Okay, let's go ahead and find maybe a screenshot here. Malik, bro. That's a nice one. Okay, sick, dude. Sick. Da 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 da. Big liquidation on Solana. See what's happening. Another big liquidation. Solana, where is it? Do I not have Solana on the? Oh, it's right here. I was gonna say, dude, damn. Okay. Some liquidations coming through. What day is it? Sunday? Be careful. Careful on Sundays, bro. What are the best quick little text messages I can send these people? You? 3-pay option. Automated trading guarantee. You can literally go through the bootcamp, learn everything, and I'll still give you your money back if you don't think it was worth it. I hold your hand through the process of automating your trading and have a 90-day money back, no questions asked, fuck off guarantee. If you are a trader, you take way more risk than that each day. Join here and get 100 off for the Halloween special. Hello, Moondove. Trading risk. Your biggest trading risk. Your biggest trading risk is not exploring automated trading. You probably think it is going to be too hard to learn, or you don't have enough time, but I didn't know how to code when I started either. The great thing about it is we have AI to code for us now, and I show you step by step how to use AI and automate your trading. For Halloween, we are having a crazy sale of 100 off. You can join here. Okay, Ella, Munda. Come on, blood. Ella. Okay. So let's go ahead and find maybe a review or something. I need a couple of them. So they're easy to find because a ton of people have written really great things about this. I've learned more in the past week of coming here than in years of just owning crypto. I've watched the whole bootcamp 5 times. Great information, incredible value. I've learned so much on this journey. I've spent thousands on BS systems and strategies over the years, so it is really nice to get someone like you who teaches your own procedure. That's a good one. That's cool. One of my bots is profitable. Okay, this is actually a experienced developer. Even if you are an experienced developer, I can help you automate your trading. There are so many, what would you call that? Unique quirks about algorithmic trading that everyone has to learn. The good thing is is I show you how I have structured the boot camp to help you rapidly learn how to automate your trading, whether even if you are an experienced coder. I will save you time. Today you get 100 off for the Halloween special. Join here. Hello, that was a weak one, but Moldov. That was a weak one. That was a weak one, but it's okay. We're gonna have some weak ones as well. Some are gonna be weak. Some are gonna be weak. I love how people like haters will sit in the chat all day long. They'll literally spend their whole day waiting all day. Or I could just hit a block button. The link for the discount should be in the description already. It's algotradecamp.com. Okay, let's see if there's a good one for this one. Your biggest risk. That's a good one as well. How many we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's go to let's just keep going. These should answer some questions you have as well. If you have questions, throw them in the chat. Throw them in the chat. I'll check the chat every once in a while. Please keep it clean in there. Please keep it clean. I'm on fire today, boy. Please keep it clean. Keep it clean. Okay, let's go ahead and let's get some of these posted, matter of fact. Post. Put a little emoji next to them when they're done. Okay, let's keep writing. I'm gonna do this for 4 hours. I don't care, dude. Maybe 3. Maybe 2. No, 3. This means that I don't have to spend the week having to write any of these. Okay, let's keep it going then. Another liquidation, Zcash. 10 good emails. Oh, ideas. Let's say 100 off. Results. Trading bot results. We have had hundreds of students go through the boot camp and get real results. A lot of people who have decided to learn how to automate their trading have gone through my boot camp and gotten real results. Such great results that they started a trust pilot for me, for the boot camp. So if you want to automate, I gotta get my fingers on the keyboard right. Automate your trading and get 100 off, then join now. Hello. You see the great reviews, reviews. What's holding you back? Move that. Okay, let's go ahead and maybe get those reviews here. Is there like a full stars or something? Okay, there we go. Algo Trade Camp, educational institution. Nice. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Da 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 da. Where's the Halloween discount? It should be right here. Sorry. And I'll double check that. So if you go here, it should be there already, but maybe it's not updated yet. Josh. Oh, it's right here. 320 off Halloween discount. I should make that more clear though. Halloween discount of 100 off. Okay, there you go. So that's the discount. Usually 420. Usually 420. Mooney, thank you, Rami. I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. So this is a window. Install help. Showed on limo. Hi. If price was the only concern. Graduates. Roadmap applicants. Your roadmap. Discord applicant. Submit your strategy for an expert review. Small operational details to include in all Meta emails. The experienced trader, non-coder. Oh, you know what I want to? I want to do some of these. That's a lot of proof photos. I want to do some of these. Okay. So you can see the discount. It's already in here. I have emails. So you, the first. You're the first to know. Du, du, du. Okay, so what I want to do here for these ones is I want to go through the actual insides of the bootcamp and just show some of the videos. Automated trading roadmap. The entire roadmap to become an automated trader is here. Every question, it was so hard to learn how to become an automated trader before when I was doing it, when I was learning. But luckily for you, I put together the ultimate boot camp where I hold your hand through automating or trading. This is the ultimate roadmap with short, concise training videos and the best automated trading community around. Today, you get 100 off for the Halloween special. Don't miss it. Hello. If you actually want to automate your everything you need to in Moondev. Beautiful. Okay, there you go. That's from directly inside the bootcamp. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Let's see what else I can write here about the actual bootcamp. I show you my actual system of how I automate my trading so that for the rest of your life, whenever you have a trading idea, you can test it and then build it into a bot. I've changed hundreds of people's lives with this system to finding profitable trading bots. You get 100 off when you join the bootcamp for Halloween. So if you want to automate your trading, join here. Hello, Munda. Okay, so what else? Let's take them straight from the bootcamp. Straight from the bootcamp. Okay, here's a good one. So let's go ahead and write that. Ah, shit. Algo traders see whales. We know exactly how the whales are traded because we are automated traders. There are so many tools out there that automated traders can leverage, but hand traders can't. In the second of the boot camp, I show you exactly how to track whale orders so you can build a real edge and automate your trading. For the Halloween special, you get 100 off the bootcamp. Join here. Allow Moondive. So these are real pictures from the real boot camp, dude. Let's really get it. Let's really get it this year. 2026 hours. Be like, don't play with me, son. Don't play with me. Please, please, please. If you know something works in the past, it's much more likely to work in the future. But the thing is, most hand traders don't know if the strategy they are working on works in the past. In the bootcamp, I show you how to backtest to see if your strategy works in the past. And then I show you how to automate it in a trading bot that can trade for you. This lowers the risk of trading, especially opposed to trading by hand. Risk is the most important part of trading. Managing risk, hanging risk, managing risk is the most important part of trading. So I show you exactly how to manage risk in the boot camp. You get 100 off for Halloween. Join here. Mudav. Okay, let's put this image in there. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Hyperliquid trading bots. Hyperliquid is the best crypto. Is clearly is one of Hyperliquid in the boot camp. In the boot camp, I show you how to build trading bots for Hyperliquid. It is a everyone is trading there since they have so many different markets, and it is decentralized. In the algo trade camp, I show you step by step how to build bots for Hyperliquid. There is nowhere else on the internet that shows this much detail in short, concise videos, and you get all of my hyper liquid code so you can get up and running quickly with your strategies. You get 100 off the boot camp for Halloween. Don't miss it. Hello, Munda. Okay, sick, dude. So let's keep going through the boot camp. We got 60 days to go through, so you gotta see everything. Hyperliquid risk management. Huge liquidations last week. We saw some of the biggest liquidations we have ever seen a couple weeks ago. This was due to traders taking on too much leverage on exchanges like Hyperliquid and other perpetual dexes. In the boot camp, I go deep on how to manage risk with your trading bots on trading bots, so they don't ever get liquidated. As an automated trader, you should You eliminate the risk. Eliminate the risk of liquidation because you have a bot trading for you 100% unemotionally. You get 100 off the boot camp for Halloween if you join today. Hello, Monda. Okay, so day 4, day 5. Let's see if there's any other good ones here I want to write something about. There's 60 days, but I don't know if I'll write 60 days here today. Supply and demand zone bots, trading bots that trade supply and demand zone are super interesting to me. This is one of the many trading bot examples that we build out in the bootcamp. So you have a template that you can follow and then build in your ideas to. Whether you have never coded before or you are an experienced coder, I will save you hundreds of hours trying to figure this all out on your own and give you 100 off to join our Algo Trade Camp community today. Join here. Ella Mondav. Okay, let's see if there's anything else here. I've put a lot of pictures of the boot camp in here. There's 60 days, dude, so. Okay, that's a good one. My algo trading system. Did I write that already? Spend years perfect up to automated trading so that you can simply these steps to build your own edge and your own bots. It's having a manual, manual, you automate your trading, opposed to trying to do it all yourself. And you have a community you get to lean on. And luckily, Today you get 100 off for Halloween. Join here to get everything. Hello, Moondove. Okay, so perfect. That's another one. Another one. Profitable strategies. Profitable trading strategies. If you are looking for profitable trading strategies, I give you my exact process on how to find unlimited profitable strategies. I lay out this process step by step in the boot camp. So once you join, you can learn exactly how to find profitable trading strategies that you can go ahead and then implement to trading bots. This was so much work to put together, but it makes it easy for you. So join the boot camp and get 100 off for Halloween. Hello, Moondove. Mondev. Moondove. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, that's a bunch of inside of there. Let's see the other ones I want to put together. Do I have to? Okay. Trading bots in the cloud. Can I run my trading bots without my computer in the cloud? I get that question a ton. So I put a step-by-step video in the bootcamp that shows you exactly how to host your trading bots in the cloud so you don't need to run them on your computer. Don't have a fast computer? No worries. This training directly from the bootcamp will show you how to host your bots in the cloud. Join today to claim your 100 off for Halloween. Hello. See you inside the members. Sick, dude. What else we got here? Damn, I got so much heat up in here, bro. I got 66 days, dude. 66 days. 66 days, dude. Monte, Carlo, and Alpha DK Tuss. If you really want to see if your trading strategy works, run these two tests that I show in the boot camp. These will show will increase your confidence, increase your confidence, or poke holes in your current trading strategy. This